Imagine if AI could create YouTube videos, business ads, and viral shorts for you, and people would pay you $20, $50, even $200 per video. The crazy part, you don't need editing skills, expensive software, or even show your face. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI video tools that anyone can use to start making money online in 2026. Right now, businesses, YouTubers, and creators need thousands of videos every day. But most of them don't know how to edit videos. That's where you come in. With these AI tools, you can create videos in minutes and sell them on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Let's start with the first tool. 1. Pictory AI. Turn blogs into videos. This AI can turn blog posts into full YouTube videos automatically. Step 1. Find blog articles online. Step 2. Paste the article into Pictory. Step 3. AI creates video scenes, subtitles, and voiceover. Then sell these videos to bloggers or YouTube channels. People charge $30 to $100 per video for this service. 2. Synthesia AI avatar videos. The second tool is Synthesia, one of the most powerful AI video generators. This AI creates realistic talking avatars that deliver scripts like a human. Companies use this for training videos and marketing. 3. Hagen AI spokesperson videos. This tool lets you create AI spokesperson videos where a digital person talks about a product. Businesses use these videos for landing pages and social media ads. One short AI spokesperson video can sell for $20 to $80 each. For Runway ML AI video editing, this tool can remove backgrounds, generate video effects, and edit videos automatically. Content creators love this because it saves hours of editing time. Freelancers offer AI editing services for $50 to $200 per project. 5. Descript, podcast, and video editing. This tool edits video by editing text. You simply delete words and the video edits automatically. Podcasters and YouTubers pay editors $30 to $100 per video for this service. 6. Opus Clip Viral Shorts Generator. This AI turns long videos into viral YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok clips. Many creators pay $10 to $30 per short clip. If you create just 10 clips per day, that's $100 to $300 daily.